Hello everyone, and welcome back to a weekend in my life vlog. Hi, I'm sat at my desk. I'm halfway done with my makeup, but I wanted to try out these magnetic lashes for the first time on the vlog. So that is what I'm going to do. This is from Kiss. It's the magnetic eyeliner lashes set. I don't know, but here they are. I wanted to try them out because I hate lash glue. So yeah, let's just try these. I got them at CVS for I think 15 bucks. I think that's pretty up there, but if I get to use them all the time, why not? So it comes with the liner and all that. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can try and put these on and see if they're any good. So yeah, let's try some magnetic lashes. Okay, so I got them on and it wasn't too difficult. This one was a little difficult because it was my first time. I had to add more eyeliner so it can like magnetically stick. But this one was pretty easy. It went on right away. I think I had to let the eyeliner dry a little bit. I just got a delivery, so that's why I waited a little with this eye. So that's the trick. This one I went too early. So yeah, that is the magnetic lashes. I'm gonna see how it is, and so far they're pretty good. I can't really feel them. I mean, I can feel that there's a little bit of a strip, but it's not too irritating like when I wear regular lashes, and they're pretty natural too. Like looking in the mirror, they don't look like too big of a lash. They look pretty natural. So yeah, that is my first impression. Going to see how I like these. I'm gonna go do my hair, finish my makeup, and then film a video. So that is my day. I just finished a haul video of all kinds of clothes. There's everything back there. Over on my chair, my desk is a mess. So yeah, that is the aftermath. I pulled my hair back because it was just getting in my whole face, and I put on my comfy clothes. I need to take off my necklace, and I think my eyelash is coming off. So I didn't really put too much eyeliner in the inner corner. So I think I'm going to take care of that. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty decent. But I'm gonna take it off because I'm gonna go cook dinner here, and then maybe I'll reapply them later because I haven't even filmed the try-on portion of the haul. I just like shared what I bought. So that's going to be fun tonight. I need to style the outfits out, and I'm gonna be up really late. So I'm gonna cook dinner, relax a bit, and then start the try-on portion of everything, which is gonna take a few hours, but I don't mind. I'm excited to try on all my new clothes. So let me just take my eyelash off. Oh, that was really easy to come off. Should I do the other one? Let me grab it. And it doesn't leave any residue. I kind of like these. I just have to get better at applying eyeliner, and I think I would be all good. So I'm gonna put these back. Maybe I'm gonna attach them later on. Will they still? Oh, it's still magnetic a little bit. Maybe I just have to touch up my liner. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go out, cook some dinner. Maybe I'll just show you the final result, and I'll catch you up whenever. And here's how my dinner turned out. Chicken and broccoli with rice. I love my rice bowls. Get some water, and that's for dinner. Happy Friday, everyone. So as you can tell, I'm all dressed up. I am gonna head out to Target because if you watched my last video, you saw that I had the sensor tag still on the outfit that I bought, so I have to go back to Target to get that sorted. So that's where I am heading now, but I don't think I'm going to take you with me. Instead, I'm just going to insert clips from earlier today. I opened up 2 packages as well as what I had for lunch. So let's just roll those clips now. For lunch today, I'm having watermelon juice, and I've been craving a grilled cheese, so I finally made one. I put some cream cheese in it too, and then a lot of different kinds of cheese, sliced cheese, and then a shredded blend cheese, so yay. Kind of burnt it a little bit, but I like my grilled cheese crunchy, so that is my lunch for today. So I just got back home and I got the sensor tags taken off of this, like I mentioned earlier. And then this dress came in the mail. This is part of the Love Shack Fancy and Target collab. So yeah, I got that in the mail while I was gone. My dad picked it up. I just opened it and it is so pretty. I can't wait to style that. So yeah, that is a few of my Target purchases. Gonna go fix dinner and then just watch some TV. So I'll catch you up later. Bye. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. So I thought I would jump on here and share with you that this is a mismatch of a weekend in my life. So I'm editing it now here in my bed and it just didn't really make sense. I thought I would hop on here and just explain it to you. The other clips, as you saw, were from a different time, and then now is a different time. So I'll do an update video later on. I haven't been weekly vlogging much, but stay tuned for that. So I thought I would pop on here and just talk you through my Sunday. So I got a few things in the mail, so I'm super excited about that. I got a lot of Amazon package that I've been waiting on, so I opened that now for you here. A lot of packages, but I'll show you a few of the things that I got. So this is the few things that I got. This necklace, it's super pretty. It has a J on it. And then these headbands, they're gonna go perfect with my summer outfits. And then I also got a new ring light, which is up here. So my other ring light I gave to my dad because he wanted it to use for something else. So I decided to get this one. This is the one that Alicia Marie recommended, and it was on sale for $30. So I picked it up and it works quite well here on my desk. So I also got a phone tripod, so that will be perfect, so I can just take my own pictures here in my room or do some outfit pictures outside. So yeah, I got that for my phone. That's a few things that I got from Amazon. I ordered a few more things, so stay tuned for another video where I show more things. I kind of went a little crazy on Amazon. So yeah, for right now, this is the stuff that came in, and I'm really excited to start using everything. That was everything that I got in so far from my Amazon order, and I am super excited to use everything, and I'll update you on like a full like what I bought from Amazon during quarantine kind of thing. I'm gonna do that video because I bought a lot of stuff recently, so that's going to be exciting to film. So I hope you can excuse like this mismatch of a vlog. I just put it all together and I'm still working on videos. I'm a little bit behind, but I'm slowly getting there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this weekend in my life vlog. I mean, technically it is because I filmed a Friday, a Saturday, and a Sunday, but they weren't just consistently together, which is kind of funny that I actually did it that way. I had like no idea, but this was meant to be like a full weekend in my life vlog, but I could not I things came up, so I couldn't film like a whole Friday, Saturday, and Sunday video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I will link everything that I mentioned in this video. So like the magnetic eyelashes that I tried, the workout set, all my Amazon purchases, those will be linked down below in my description. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!